Here we're looking at simplifying expressions by multiplication. So for the first one here, question number 2, we begin by multiplying the numbers to give us 2 times 4 is 8, and then we multiply the pronumerals. So we get 8xy for number 2. For number 10, remember that this means negative 3y times negative 3y times negative 3y. So negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 gives me negative 27. And then y times itself 3 times is y cubed. So just remember that that cubed here applies to everything inside the brackets. For number 12, multiply the numbers first. 2 times 3 gives me 6. Then use your index laws to gather your other pronumerals. So a times a is a squared, and then that b cubed just gets multiplied through with the rest. Number 18 is similar to number 10. We can do this without writing out all this extra working though. So just by recognising our index laws, negative 3 to the power of 4 gives us positive 81. And then t cubed to the power of 4 is the same as t to the 3 times 4. So multiplying the indices, we get t to the 12. So our final answer is 81 t to the 12. For number 20, begin by multiplying our numbers. Negative 2 times 3 gives negative 6, and then negative 6 times negative 4 gives positive 24. Use index laws to gather our x's and y's. So I've got x to the 2 and x to the 3, and that's an x to the 1. So 2 plus 3 plus 1 is 6, so we end up with x to the power of 6. And then with our y terms, I have here a y to the 1, and then here I have a y to the 2. So 1 plus 2 gives me y to the 3, adding those indices. So I hope that's helpful to remind you of how to simplify algebraic expressions through multiplication.